Welcome keen learners and aspiring YouTubers to Wiseberg, your one-stop guide to mastering the digital world. Here in Wiseberg, we believe in empowering each of you to create, connect, and share your unique stories with the world. Today, we're going to take the first step together by showing you how to create your very own YouTube channel. A voyage of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and this is yours. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Stay tuned to learn more. Our first step is to sign into YouTube using a Google account. If you don't have one, don't fret. You can easily create one in a jiffy. Once you're signed in, it's time to create your channel. Click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select your channel. Now you will see a Customize Channel button. Clicking on this will provide you with the option to use a custom name for your channel. This is your chance to be creative and choose a name that really represents you and your content. Remember, you can always change this later if you need to. Click on the Use Custom Name button and voila, you've just created your YouTube channel. And there you have it, your very own YouTube channel is now up and running. Now that we've created our channel, it's time to make it our own. First, let's add some visual appeal. Click on the Customize Channel button to access the customization options. Here you can add a channel icon and a channel banner. Think of your channel icon as your profile picture. It's a small image that represents you and your content. Your channel banner, on the other hand, is a larger image that spans the top of your channel page. It's your chance to make a big, bold statement about your channel. Next, you'll want to fill out the About section. This is where you can tell viewers what your channel is all about. Be concise, but don't skimp on details. Let your audience know what they can expect from your content. With these touches, your channel is now personalized and ready to attract viewers. The next step in our journey is to upload our first video. Start by clicking the Create icon, resembling a camera with a plus sign. Select Upload Video and then choose your video file. Now it's time to add the details, a catchy title, a thorough description, and relevant tags, all to optimize searchability. Pick the right category and decide if it's suitable for kids. Finally, hit Upload. Congratulations, you've just uploaded your first video. Having uploaded our first video, the next step is to grow our channel and engage with our audience. There are several strategies to optimize your videos for discovery. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails to increase click-through rates. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and comment on your videos. Sharing your videos on social media platforms can help reach a wider audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. This encourages more interaction and builds a community around your content. Once your channel meets YouTube's eligibility requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your videos through ads. Collaborate with other YouTubers to reach more viewers. Use YouTube Analytics to understand your channel's performance and identify areas for improvement. Remember, growing a successful YouTube channel takes time and patience, but with consistency and dedication, you'll surely make it. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your own YouTube channel. From signing in to customizing and uploading content, to growing your audience and potentially monetizing your channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, share your thoughts in the comments section and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.